this exercise, we'll group this subassembly and then manipulate it using the Xform Dynamic tool. This will make it easier to reposition the subassembly while the other components are on the screen. We'll start by clicking on Tools, Group, Make. When prompted for a name, we'll type Backer Assembly. We'll select the red, yellow, and cyan solids on the screen for the group. We'll then click on the Xform Dynamic icon. We'll select the Group option. Then we'll click on Select. We'll click on any solid in the group and then hit Accept. All of the solids in the group will highlight. Using the Indent option, we'll click on this corner and a dyna handle will appear. We can then reposition the subassembly any way we desire. So let's work with an actual file. We'll open up sample file KCV assembly1.ckd. Let's click on Tools, Group, Make. We'll type Backer Assembly for the name of the group. We'll select the red, yellow, and cyan entities, and we can mask to do that easily. And we'll click on Accept. Now let's click on Tools, Group, List, and you can see that in the list our group is now showing. Let's click on the Xform Dynamic icon. We'll select Group, then Select, and then click on any part. We'll use the plate of that group and whole group highlights. Using Indent, we'll click on this corner to get a dyna handle. We can drag the vectors to move the subassembly, and of course, because that yellow ball is right at that corner, we can use that to reposition the part back underneath at a later date. And we would do that just by right-clicking on the yellow ball and doing a reposition. So let's do the Xform Dynamic, Group, Select. We'll pick the group again, Accept. Now if we pick that corner, this time what we're going to do is right-click on the yellow ball, Position, Indicate Position, and using End of Entity, and you can use your snaps for this, we can reposition that right back where it was originally, that bottom corner right there. Very simple to do. So let's recap. In this exercise, we grouped this subassembly and then manipulated it using the Xform Dynamic tool. This made it easier to reposition the subassembly while the other components were on the screen. We started by clicking on Tools, Group, Make. When prompted for a name, we typed Backer Assembly. We selected the red, yellow, and cyan solids on the screen for the group. We then clicked on the Xform Dynamic icon. We selected the Group option, and then we clicked on Select. We clicked on any solid in the group and hit Accept. All of the solids in the group highlighted. Using the Indent option, we clicked on this corner and a dyna handle appeared. We then repositioned the subassembly any way we desired.